I have given you all a project, right? You all have done it really fantastic. Every one of your projects were really, really, really very beautiful. Here and there were a few mistakes, but the way you all have done it really is awesome, my dear children. I congratulate every one of you all, those who have done it. Okay, literally 31 of you all have done it, dear children. Okay, am I clear? Could you all get my audio clearly, ma? Is my voice breaking? Okay, fine. So I'll tell the names of the ones who have literally given the works, okay, the projects. So 31 of you all have done it, and few haven't done it. It's okay. I hope they also will do it. As an appreciation to everyone, I told you all earlier, no, I'm going to read the best one, but no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to show each and every one's work to all the others, okay? So it will be just a glimpse. So I will tell you all the names of the ones who have done it. So to start with, Naveen Karthik, Asir Arfan, Rida Nashmia, Ranjit, Netra, Rahini, Aditya Darshan, Resni, Varun, Ritu, Edusen, Siona, Rajeshri, somebody in the name called Rekha. I'm not sure who's that. The name wasn't given there. Yadu, Sharvesh, Ovia, Ashwin, Shifa Mariam, Shifa, Joshika, who's this? Harish, Shri Kartika, Kavya, Naveen Kumar, somebody in the name called Nalini Devi, I'm not sure who's that. Ram Harish, Haridev, Muhilan, Niranjana Devi, Raja Rishiha, and Srinija. So these are the kids who have literally put their hearts in the project and they have done it. It's my duty to congratulate everyone. Let me show the works of them. Yes, Ashwin, I have mentioned your name, right? Nalini Devi is Gayatri. Okay, Gayatri. Okay. Somebody in the name called Rekha. I have disclosed your names, dear children. If you all don't hear it, it's not my fault, no? Who has sent it in the name called Rekha, ma? Ashwin. Okay, Ashwin. Super. Ashwin and Ashwin. Fine. So let me show the glimpse of your articles to y'all. So plenty of new names, which even I couldn't predict. Y'all have sent it in such a great form. So this one is Asir Arfan. So he has written about Mary Kom, and he has written the letter also with perfect structure. I congratulate him. Next is Ranjit. Ranjit has written about Saina Nehwal, and it is also so beautiful. Then Resni has written about Mithali Raj, and the article is also quite fine. No need. I didn't ask for the letter. Some have written. This one without name, Edusen. Edusen has written about Mithali Raj. Siona has written about Sania Mirza. Very good. Look at the presentation. Really beautiful presentation. Somebody has written about coronavirus. My goodness. Okay. Next, Mary Kom. P.T. Usha. Very good. Plenty have written like that. Polgar, the highest rated woman. That's something new. Very good. Well touched. Ovia has written about Sania Mirza and Geeta Pogat. She has done 2. Very good, ma. I asked only for 1. Manika. Netra has written about Manika, the Indian table tennis player. Very good, Netra. And your presentation is really fine. Somebody has written about PV Sindhu. Mithali Raj. This is also written by Netra. And look at the presentation of Niranjana Devi. Really, it's fine. She has written about PV Sindhu. Megan Rampino. Megan Rampino, football player. Very good. That's something new. Very good. Very well done. PV Sindhu. Srinija has written about PV Sindhu. Raja Rishika. Geeta Pogart. Very good. Sania Mirza. Plenty of Sania Mirza and PV Sindhu. Yes, of course, they have added a lot of laurels to us. Okay. And few more which I have received in the form of PDF. Let me show it to you all. Here comes one of it. So this is also about PV Sindhu. I don't know who has written it. Earlier I have told the names, no, of the ones who have written it. So let me share my screen. I'll do the screen sharing so that then and there we could see it. Okay, here we go. This one we have seen, no, about PV Sindhu. This one is on Alison Felix. Alison Michelle Felix. A sprinter, 100 meters dash. Very good. Ram Harish Murali was really fine. Somebody has written about Smriti Mandana. So it's Hari Dev. Very good. Cricket player. PV Sindhu. This has been written by Hari Dev. This one is a scanned copy of Naveen Kumar. Literally, Naveen Kumar, I appreciate you for the way you have written. Dhanlakshmi. Dhanlakshmi from Gundur near Tiruchirappalli. So he has taken a local athlete. Congratulations to you, ma. Very good. It's very nice. Same Naveen Kumar. Okay. Kavya. Kavya has written about letter writing. Cornelia. She has written about Cornelia. Who is this Cornelia? She's a German swimmer. Very good. You all have gone beyond your. Next is, I don't know whose name is this, but excellent work. The presentation is really nice. Rani Rampal. It's about hockey player. Very good. The presentation is really fine. Congratulations. Shifa Mariam. Shifa Mariam has written about Steffi Graf, a famous tennis player who is very famous for Wimbledon. And this is Ashwin, I guess. Ashwin Kumar has written about Shefali Verma. Then somebody else is here. This is Sharvesh. Sharvesh, you have done your best, really. Tanya Sachdev. Okay, it's about Tanya Sachdev and Deepika Kumari. He has written about two. Very good. Congratulations. Rajeshri. Rajeshri has written about PV Sindhu. Very good, ma. Next, there is an Adobe scan. So this is about Deepika Rebecca Pallikal. Deepika Pallikal, a famous squash player. I don't know who has written it. Very good. An untouched name. Then it's Aditya Darshan. Aditya Darshan has written about Anju Bobby George. Very good. An untouched name this time also. Once again, Netra. Sophie Ecclestone. Sophie Ecclestone. You have written about a debut. Okay. Oh, she's a cricket player. I'm not sure. An article must have every detail about that particular person also, ma. Next is about Sakshi. Sakshi Malik, written by Rida Nashmia. Very good, Rida. And there is a Word document written by Naveen Karthik. Naveen Karthik has written about Serena Williams. Very good. So these are the works which you all have sent to me. My congratulations to every one of y'all. I want to just glorify every one of y'all who have sent. That's why I have shown each and every one's works. Okay. England women. Okay. Very good, Ashwin Kumar. Deepika Paligal was read to watch me. Fine. I congratulate every one of you all, my dear children. If at all one or two I have missed, my sincere apologies. Literally, all also deem that as appreciation. Hats off to you all, my dear children. You all have done a really great job. Okay. I'm really happy the way you all have shared everything. You all have done a very good job. Congratulations in person once again to you. Okay. Let's be back to the lesson. Let me share the document for you all right now. Somebody has forgotten to write the name. But I have told your name, Rini Alni. You don't worry. The ones who have given have been flashed here. Very well done. Okay. Madhini has sent it to my Gmail, but literally I didn't see your name, Madhini. Okay, anyway, I'll find it out. I'll take it and I'll share it to you in the next class. Don't worry. First activity has to be given to me only. Okay. Now we are going to do one particular thing. We are going to understand the poem and we are going to write the fill in the blanks which are given here. I hope you all understood the fill in the blanks, right? If at all your mails are not received by me, you can send it again. I have 31 names here, those who have sent it. I have taken it from my mail only. I didn't see any other names. If at all you'll need it, you can send it. It's not an issue. Okay. Maria Dominic Vivian, I didn't get your name, ma. Okay, based on the understanding, okay, leave that. You all can send it again. Don't worry. So now what we are supposed to do is we are going to do the fill in the blanks right now. Okay. Fine. Are you able to understand the poem? Huh? Any doubts with the poem? Any doubts with the poem? I don't think there's going to be any doubts because we have clarified everything. Right. We are going to do this fill in the blanks in C part. You can write the answers alone. When you receive your book, you can write the answers, right? Okay, let me start with it. Try to give me the answer. After a long travel, the poet entered a dash. After a long travel, the poet entered a dash. Where did the poet enter? Very good. Woods. Woods or forest, anything you can write. Okay, the woods. He wondered to whom the woods dash. He wondered to whom the woods dash belongs to. Very good, Siona. Very good. Keep it up. Very good, Raini. Belongs to is the correct answer. He realized that the owner of the woods lived in a dash. Lived in a dash. The owner of the wood lived in a village. Very good. Village. Village is the correct answer. Very good, ma'am. Lived in a village. He thought that the owner would not be able to dash him. He thought that the owner will not be able to dash him. Very good, my dear children. See him. C is the correct answer. Stopping in his woods to watch dash fill the woods. What is filling the woods? Dash fill the wood. Very good, Rahini. Snow. Snow is the right answer. Snow. fill the woods. The poet felt that the horse would think it very dash. The poet thinks that the poet felt that the horse would think it very dash. No, strange, queer. Queer or strange is the correct answer. Yes, very good, my dear children. He was actually standing between the woods and dash. Woods and the. He was actually standing in between the woods and dash. Was it a lake or frozen lake, ma? Frozen lake. Frozen lake. Okay. Next one. The poet felt that the horse thinks it very strange or queer to stop near the woods as he had never dash. Sorry, we have missed out one, right? As he had never dash. What was in there? Farmhouse. Farmhouse. Okay. He was actually standing between the woods and the frozen lake. We have seen that. The time was dash. The time was, what time it was, ma? What time it was? Darkest evening. Okay, it is evening. Evening is correct. Very good. The horse indicated that the poet has made a dash by shaking its head. The horse indicates that the poet has made a what? Very good, Sri Kartika. The answer is mistake. Mistake is the answer. Okay? Mistake. M-I-S-T-A-K-E. The poet felt that the woods are lovely dash and dash. The poet felt that the woods were lovely dash and dash. Dark and deep. Very good, my dear children. Dark and deep. He suddenly realized that he had worldly dash. He suddenly realized that he had worldly dash. Promises or duty? Promise or duty, both are correct. Okay. Which would not allow him to dash in the woods for a long time. Which would not allow him to dash in the woods for a long time. Relax or stop. Stop. Sleep will not come there, Srinija. He can't sleep there. Relax or stay there. Very good, Niranjana. Very good, Rida Nashmia. Very good, my dear children. Okay. Are you able to understand? This is the summary of the poem. If you are able to provide this much of answers, definitely you have understood the lesson really well. My congratulations to all of you all, my dear children. Okay, poetic devices. We have seen all the poetic devices. Okay. So the answers, first one is woods or forest. First dash is woods or forest. Second dash is belongs to. Third dash is village. Only once I will tell. Third dash is village. Fourth dash is sea, S-E-E, sea. Fifth one is snow, S-N-O-W. Sixth one is strange, S-T-R-A-N-G-E. Seventh one is farmhouse, F-A-R-M-H-O-U-S-E. Farmhouse. Eighth one is frozen lake, F-R-O-Z-E-N-L-A-K-E, frozen lake. Ninth one is evening. 10th one is mistake. 11th one is dark. 12th one is deep. 13th one is duties, D-U-T-I-E-S, duties or work. And 14th one is stop, S-T-O-P. So somebody has given the Srinija has given all the answers. You can check the answers there itself. Okay, very good. Are you all able to understand, my dear children? Any doubts here? Okay, with this we come to the end of poem 2. Okay, okay. Now we are going to look into supplementary one. Okay, an envious neighbor. It is a Japanese folk tale. You know what is folk tale? Folk tale is a tale. Tale means story. A story about a village man. So that is Japanese folk tale. Okay. Next line. Dark and deep are the next line. Okay. Envious neighbor. What is the meaning of the word called envy? Have you heard about the word called envy? ENVY. I'm not talking about envy, non-vegetarian. I'm talking about envy. ENVY. Okay, Rahini says no. Yes, very good, Niranjana. Jealous. Envy means jealous, right? Envy means jealous. Envious neighbor, which means it talks about a jealous neighbor. Okay. Next, what we are supposed to do is please stop chatting, listen to the story. Okay. Ratan Tata and Azim Premji are a few rich people of India who spend a part of their wealth on charity. What influences them to share and care for people? We all know about Ratan Tata, no? Tata. Ratan Tata is the owner of Tata companies. We have seen a lot of cars and autos. Not only that, they have spent in everything, including airways. They are very famous. And Azim Premji is also one of the businessmen in India. He is the CEO. Okay. So these two, no, they have a lot of money with them. They don't stop by saving money. They spend a partial amount of their wealth on charity. Charity means what? Helping plenty of people. They provide scholarship for the people, for the children who lost their parents to study, right from KG to college. They provide medical support like heart transplantation, kidney transplantation, cancer treatment. So there are poor people who can't afford medication for these. No, they help them in that also. In many ways, they are helping them. Why are they helping them? Could you tell me the reason? Any one reason? Why are they helping others? Ratan Tata, Azim Premji, and plenty of rich people in India, they have trust. They help plenty of people. Why are they doing it? Why are they helping others? Because they know that money alone is not going to be the ultimate. Money is not the end. So, whichever money they could keep for them, more than that, if it comes, means they are helping the poor people. That's how we also must be, my dear children. Helping others is going to be one of the best way of reaching heaven. Literally, we have to help others. It's not that we have to only spend. Okay, I am earning. My father is earning 30,000 or 40,000. Let me help by providing 1,000 rupees for a beggar. I'm not talking about that. Money alone is not a help, right? Money alone is not going to be the help. Small help which you do to others is going to add on the good books of you. Is that clear, my dear children? That's very important. Think of any undesirable quality that you would like to get rid and discuss it with your friends. Literally, you can't discuss it with your friends right now. You could think within yourself, my dear children. You can think within yourself. What sort of wrong quality, a quality which my friends, my family, my relatives hate from me? You may easily identify what is that quality and you have to get rid of it. You have to remove that quality. If you remove that quality, you are going to be the best person in this world. Okay? So these are the two warm-ups. Warm-ups, you are needn't give any answers. This is only for discussion. Okay. Now the third question is going to be a very interesting one. Do you like pets? Answer my first question. If you like pets, you say yes. If you don't like it, you say no. Okay, Rahini and Ram Harish likes pets. Very good. Okay. Plenty of yes. I don't find any no. Okay, plenty of yes. Okay. It means that y'all are equally concerned with the animals which live around us. Nivin and Santosh don't like pets. Okay. It's up to you. It's okay. It's not bad that you don't like pets because some qualities may be there. Very good. You might have mixed opinion. That's not a wrong one. So Siona also don't like pet. Okay. Only very few don't like pet. Okay. Why do you like pets? Okay. I don't want the ones. There might be thousands of reasons for us to like pets. The ones who said I don't like pet, no. Now tell me why y'all don't like pet. Give me a reason, no. One pet. One reason. Why y'all don't like pet? The ones who said no, no, y'all can respond to me. Why y'all don't like pets? Is there any specific reason? Okay, put it in the chat column. Let me see later. Now let's move into the story. Now read the Japanese folk tale about two neighbors and how their characters changed their lives. Okay, we're going to see about neighbors. Okay, neighbors always, all the neighbors are not in the good books. We don't like all the neighbors. Sometimes neighbors are much more closer than the relatives. Okay, but sometimes neighbors, they are hated by us, or sometimes they might hate us. The reason might be clear. So sometimes this might also happen. So we are going to see a story like this: a jealous neighbors. So who is jealous and who are good? So that is what we are going to see. It's a Japanese folktale, a very interesting one. Let's look into it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, obviously, for some people, neighbors are closer than the relatives. For some people, they are the most jealous of all people. We don't know. It is up to y'all, right? Y'all know who is good and who is bad. So there is no comment on your neighbors. Okay. Let's move on into the story. In the old days, there lived an honest man with his wife who had a pet dog, which they used to feed with fish and tidbit from their own kitchen. One day, as the old folks went out to work in their garden, the dog went with them and began playing about. All of a sudden, the dog stopped short and began to bark, wow, 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 wagging its tail violently. So, dear children, in old days, we don't know even the year. So, it was old days. There lived an honest man. We all know who's an honest man, no? Who is living a very peaceful life, who is very honest, who is very frank with anything, who is very good. Along with his wife, he is living in a village. Okay. And they had a pet dog. So they didn't have children. Instead of children, they had a pet dog. And they used to feed the dog with fishes. Okay, with a lot of fish and tidbit. So what is tidbit here? Let us look into the meaning of tidbit. Tidbit means it is a small piece of tasty food. Okay, it's a small piece of tasty food. They used to feed the dog with fishes and some tasty food. Whichever they ate in the kitchen, they provided it for the dog also. One day, the husband and wife, the honest man and his wife, they went to work in their garden. In those days and all, they had a house. At the back of their house itself, they have a big garden. There they used to do agriculture. They grow vegetables, everything. They don't go for the market for anything. They grow by themselves and they eat by themselves. That was happening in the old days. And they went to their garden for some agricultural purpose. The dog also went along with them. It started playing. Okay, it ran here and there and it started playing well. All of a sudden, it stood in one particular place and it started it stopped there and it started barking. Wow, 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 wow. It went on like that. And it started wagging its tail. Why did it bark? Okay. We'll see the reason tomorrow. Please don't read it. Let it be a suspense. We'll see it tomorrow. Okay? Why the why the dog has barked. Are you able to understand, my dear children? Okay. Thank you very much.